Hello back and welcome back to this tutorial. This is now going to be the part where we're going to connect our gadget or create a gadget component and connect it to our one-sided Alexa device and also connect it to our Lambda function so we can do something with this gadget that we have connected. So first of all, we have to create voice service. To do this, I'm just gonna find a website right now. Be right back. So when you click on a link down below, this is under developeramazon.com. You have to go now up here in the top to products and click on voice service. That's very important. So when you reach the site, you're just gonna click on AWS console. You're gonna open this up. Maybe you have to log in here, so do this. And what we're gonna do next is just click on products. We're gonna create a new product and we're gonna call it just Gadget voice service. We have to do a product ID, which we can just say in my case is a Lego product, and we say it's an Alexa Gadget. So it's very important that you just click this Alexa Gadget, nothing else up here, just Alexa Gadget. We're gonna get a product category. I would say it's let's say it's an animatronic or figure. Let's say this. We have to write a description right here. So this is a tutorial voice service which will connect our gadget to our Lambda and skill. So that's basically what this voice service does. We don't want to distribute this product commercially, so we're gonna hit no. And is this children's product? We're just gonna click no here. And last of all, we have to agree. And let's hit finish. This should create our Alexa Gadget. We're gonna hit OK. And what we're gonna do now, and that's very important, is we're gonna click right here. And at the top now, you should see Alexa Gadget, an Alexa Gadget secret, and also an Amazon ID. So this will be important as soon as we will go into programming the robot, because then we have to add those two parameters so the gadget is connected. So since we did this, we're not gonna work with this anymore, so you might close this. But what we're gonna do is now go to our skill, go to build right at the top of here. As next, we're gonna go to interfaces and scroll down to custom interface controller. We have to enable this one, and that's it, I think, at this point. We're gonna save the interfaces. That's very important. Just save the interfaces. You don't have to build a new model. And this is it for creating a custom gadget component, which we can control a gadget with, and linking it to our interface, at least, or our Alexa skill. As next, we're gonna have to somehow get to our Lambda function and this gadget to our Lambda function. So we have to connect this gadget to our Lambda function. So now I have it. And that's what I show you right now. So we're gonna open Visual Studio Code with our code inside of it, and we will have to get access to our endpoints. The endpoints are the devices that are connected to our Alexa Echo device. So what we have to do now is we're gonna have to go to this alexaskills.net and go right here to gadgets. We're gonna click on Nugget or Nougat, however you want to call it, and install this. So we're gonna add the .NET add package AlexaNet Gadgets with the current version. We're gonna go to Visual Studio Code right there. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger and paste this command right here. Important again, you have to be in your source and my first function folder. We're gonna press enter. This is just a bug right there. And when this is through, we added the dependency we needed to access our Echo device or to access our gadget. And how we access now this gadget in a particular way and what we can do with this now, I'm gonna show you in the next episode, where we're gonna work with the gadget that is connected to our Echo device. So I see you in the next episode.